Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about how to create a zip file for your photos and videos on an iPhone. First go to your photos and click on select. Now what you want to do is select the photos and videos that you want to compress. After that, click on share over here and you want to scroll up and click on save to files. After that you want to save your files. After that you want to save your photos and videos to a folder. Let's say desktop 3, and you can simply long press here and click on paste. Click on save. After that you can go to your files, and here you'll see your and on the desktop 3 folder you can see your photos and videos. Go back once and you can simply long press on the folder and click on compress over here. After that your zip file will be over here. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments below.